Hey guys, Alicia here. I mentioned in the beginning of the year that I was not only going to do videos on how to make money online, but I was also going to start doing videos on how to live budget friendly. So I have been doing tutorials on how to make money online and also how to do that user friendly and also budget friendly. So as a single income household, I also want to start doing a few videos on how to live budget friendly. So I wanted to do a video on what to buy at the Dollar General store, what I normally like to buy at the Dollar General store, and hopefully it will help somebody. Now, before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make money online and also how to live budget friendly. Now, I was hesitant to do this video because I had watched a few videos on, similar to this one, and for some reason, they get a lot of thumbs down. Now, comment below and let me know why on earth would a video like this get so many thumbs down. I've even seen to the point where the creator of the video actually disabled their likes and dislikes. I have no idea why, honestly. I mean, please feel free, comment and let me know. Also, comment and let me know where you're watching from, and let me know what your Dollar General store offers, because I would be interested in finding out. Now, I am just outside Louisville, Kentucky, and we have quite a few dollar stores right around us. So I know just within like a 5-mile radius, I think I have 3 Dollar General stores. One of them is a big like marketplace where they also have like food, like a grocery side, and then the other side is, all the other things. But I was out and about today and I decided to stop at the dollar store to get a few things that I needed and thought, this is a great time for me to, do a video on it. So one of the things that you can buy at the Dollar General store that is a good purchase is poster board. Now they don't have a whole lot of colors at the dollar store that I was in today, but these are just $1 each. Now poster board is really good, of course, obviously for school projects, but I like to buy poster board for mock-up photography, which is something I've talked about in my other videos when I'm teaching how to make money online, because these serve as a great background for mock-up photography. I also did a video on a product I created, which was a vision book. And you can also get poster board to tape your pictures to for your vision board. So many things you can do with this. Now, poster board at the Dollar Tree is even cheaper. It's 2 for $1, and they have a lot more color options. But I'm going to do a separate video on the Dollar Tree coming soon. So poster board at the Dollar General store is $1. And if you go to Walmart, it's going to be like $1.60 or $1.75 or something like that. And it's going to be a lot more. So another thing that I love at the Dollar General store, and I would love for you to comment below and let me know if your area has this aisle at the Dollar General store. This aisle, everything in it is $1. And I try to rack up on as many things that I know that I will use throughout the year, as much as possible. So I'll actually blow this up a little bit and show you. Now, once again, comment below and let me know if your Dollar General store has this aisle, because I love it. So you can get so many things for $1. Nail polish remover, toothpaste. One of the things I normally purchase a lot in this aisle is the bar soap and Q-tips. Every now and then toothpaste, if they do have a decent brand like a whitening toothpaste, I will get that. Like right here they have the Crest White for $1. They also have like the disinfectant wipes right here for $1. Another thing I like to buy, and I get them a lot for crafting, is the hand soaps. If you take Goo Gone, you can take these labels off, and if you have a vinyl cutting machine, you can personalize these. So this is great also for crafting. Paper plates, they've got these for $1. Another good thing to get is over-the-counter medication that we normally take. They've got the pain reliever right here. This is like the off-brand of Mucinex, and they have the allergy like Benadryl. I don't know if this one right here is similar to Benadryl. And this one right here I have a bigger picture of. This one is similar to Benadryl. So this is a great aisle. The only thing is like it changes a lot, and sometimes I'll go back and an item that I purchased the time I was in there before, they don't have it in there, but then they always have something else that's different. So this is just a great aisle to get, take a look at, and you can get everything for $1. I mean, even a pregnancy test. It looks like Band-Aid strips. So yeah, lots of things in this aisle. Okay. So another thing that I wanted to show you here is that, let me blow this up. So I purchased this right here. This is 100 tablets of off-brand Benadryl, and it was $1 for 100 tablets. Now, Benadryl is excellent to keep around. It's not only great for allergies, but it's also great for other things like bee stings, insect bites, any type of allergy that you get into, especially in the summer, it really just helps. It's a great thing to keep around. So it's been a medication that is very popular, and I personally buy this brand, and it works just the same as regular Benadryl. Now, if you go to Walgreens and get 100 tablets of the name brand Benadryl tablets allergies, it's $15.99. Now, right now they have a $3 off coupon, and you can get it for $12.99. But still, $12.99 versus $1. So now the off-brand at Walgreens, which is Waldrill, it's $10.79. So, I just got 100 tablets for $1. So I saved quite a bit of money here. Then if I would have gone into Walgreens, I would have had to have paid $10.79 for 100 of them. Another good thing to buy at the Dollar General store is candy. Everything in this aisle just about is $1. So, if you love to eat candy or you like to keep them in the house when you have guests over, this is a great place to get candy because there's a huge selection, and everything in here is $1, and some of these things are 2 for $1. So just keep that in mind. Candy is a great thing to purchase at the Dollar General store. Another thing I like to buy at the Dollar General store is Glade air freshener. They are always $1. Now, if you go to Walmart or Target, now Target usually runs them for about $1, but I've noticed at Target and Walmart, they're about 25 cents more, and it's depending upon the season, so like certain scents are seasonal. So I noticed that, Walmart and Target it depends on what season it is. So obviously in the winter time, we like our comforting scents, and something like this is more of a spring scent, so you save always at the Dollar General store. Glade air freshener is always $1. Another good thing to purchase at the Dollar General store is greeting cards. Now, I have done several videos on how to make and design your own and how to sell them on Etsy, and I prefer doing it that way. But in a pinch, you could always, if you were at the Dollar General store, pick up a few cards, thank you notes, birthday cards, and then that way, in a pinch, if you need to hurry up and get a birthday card to give to somebody at work the next day, you don't have to run out in the middle of the night. You've already got it handy. So this is just something, these are 2 for $1 here. And also at the Dollar Tree, they have greeting cards that are 2 for $1 as well. So that's just another good item to buy. Another way to save money at the Dollar General store is their digital coupons. If you download their app onto your phone, you can get some killer deals. I know there was recently, I had a coupon, they had Bounce dryer sheets on sale, and then they had an additional digital coupon for $3 off, and I ended up getting like 800 dryer sheets. I think that's what it was. It was either 500 or 800. I think it was 800, and I got them for $3.25. So that was a great deal. And if you keep an eye on their digital coupons, you just upload the coupon to your app. You have to hit the plus sign, you upload it to your app, it goes to with your phone number, and then when you check out, this is how it goes in my area. You punch in your phone number, and then the coupon shows up there. So that is another way to save money on like brand name items, because I do like the Bounce dryer sheets. So I really hope this video was helpful to you. I decided to do it on a whim just because I was in there earlier today. So, let me know in the comments below what your Dollar General store has to offer, and also if they have that aisle that has everything is just $1, like all the time. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great